Reanimating a hibernating tortoise after a 5-month fridge nap.
She's a tortoise, not a salad. Refrigerator hibernation? Rookie mistake. Spring surprise guest, Shelley the escape artist.
Grandpa's tortoise, George, went AWOL for 5 years. Turns out he was just on a very slow Tinder date. Now they're a happy little shelled family. Slow and steady wins the race, I guess.
IPA, chilling, turtles hibernating, don't eat him, keep the fridge door closed, unless you fancy a shell-shocked surprise. Beer's on me.
Grandma stole a tortoise from some soccer hooligans. Uncle Timmy's been its keeper ever since. Meet Terry, a 50-year-old reptile who's seen more winters than your dating life.
Want a snoozing tortoise? Stick it in the fridge. Just kidding, mostly. Read the tiny print. It's complicated.
Bullet-ridden tortoise, 20 years of basement winters. Talk about dedication or morbid pet ownership. Their will? It's got shell-shocked clauses.
My brain's a question mark factory. Intrigued? More like mildly obsessed. Help!
5-month-old nap? More like a coma. Wakey wakey, or they'll be a human pretzel. Don't blame me if they're grumpy.
Yeah, no more fridge-based summer vacations. My AC unit's seen better days, and so have I. Bring on the Arctic blast.
2025? More like 20, what was I thinking 5? Someone fetch the DeLorean stat. My future's a dystopian Pinterest board.